ready. Stop moving! Stop it! Mercado. Is that her last name? Madera. Oh, Madera. Stop moving.
It's close.
Take it! Take it! I gotta find that girl. Take it.
Oh, true. Come on,
take it. This is just small.
Stay still.
Oh, stay still. Oh no, we're trying. Madera. Stay still.
Hold her head. There.
Oh my god.
It never go up. No, fix it. And do it
Shane got
yourself.
on
Come
hand,
on.
girl.
Fix it and do it yourself.
I could do it.
There. Let's go.
I'm wiping your tears for you, girl. Achoo, bless you. Achoo. I told you, do yours, here.
Go tickle your nose.
Do it yourself. Like, just fix it, stick it, and like, only a little bit, and then twirl it around. When you feel like you're gonna sneeze, sneeze. That's what you. Some more, Mary. You have to go like a little bit more.
Can I handle this?
Let me show you. Is this a clean one? Really?
Here, this one's clean.
Oh my god. This is hard.
Let me show you. Let me show you.
Cause I can feel it.
Right here, girl.
I've never had the need to have to sneeze.
Yeah, I know, right?
This. Okay. Don't film me.
No her. Tutorial her.
Okay. You put them on YouTube.
Yes, girl.
How to sneeze.
Yes. You make it like this. And then you.
I'm sorry, I'll take a to go. Thank you.
And you go like this. Mary, they never even penetrate. That's not even the head. You go like this. Oh.
This is so weird.
There you go to sneeze, yeah?
Yeah, I am.
Do it again, do it again. Thank you. Get it. See it work. Proof that it works. Strictly.
Try it,
your turn, your turn.
Try it. It doesn't work for me.
You gotta go
You just gotta
hard.
tickle it.
I am.
Tickle
It's
your,
hard to go home then.
tickle the hair.
Go all the way up.
I can't.
Go
It doesn't
higher.
go any higher.
Why? Because your nose too long. You trying to call my nose fat.
Alright, try flare your nostril.
I almost throw him in
There you
chicken
go.
plate.
You'd be a terrible bottle.
Kill you.
Some more.
Ah.
Yeah.
She likes it.
There it is.
It can't come out now.
Well, that's your damn problem, man.
She could use
Here, let me
this.
drop the water in your nose.
Alright. Here, well, plan B. Sniff it. Come on.
I'll do the pepper.
She's weird.
Pepper.
Mine's unworked. I love when Colonel go up her nose, but it's not gonna be
I
funny.
know, right? And you're like, oh my god, it's stuck. It's stuck in the cavity. Do it, come on.
Damn, I'm
Sneeze you.
pissed.
Sniff it. Okay, no. You have to shake it around, you ding dork. Okay, here, sniff it, because all the aromas.
Big whip. Not even breathing, girl.
There.
Mary, turn to that side.
You guys can't talk.
You gotta keep
okay.
breathing.
Shake them again. Hold on.
Man, the thing you don't know how to sneeze. I'm sorry.
Okay, here, go. Take a big whiff. shut up. They won't take you on drugs. They won't take you on drugs. Fucking. She ran out of coke.
Yeah, so she turned to pepper.
Yeah. It's cheaper.
Right? You don't even want to. The Parmesan cheese is closer to Coke.
Is it really?
No. Man, I used to get high off of cheese.
Only her. Just punch yourself in there.
You know? I know, right?
No, it's not happening tonight.
Aw.
It's your fault.
I can't believe you sneezed.
Maybe you have to sneeze in private.
Bro, it worked. I'm touching you.